Today we see another confirmation signal for the uptrend, which was already expected by us here in this channel, as there was no technical evidence pointing to a reversal according to our method, of course. So let's see what we have here today. Is this a top signal or not? Should we panic because of it? Well, let's see. Several stocks are performing very well. There's a lot of interesting stuff over here, so let's study the next opportunities together. My name is Nathan and this is the Finance Hydra channel where you receive unbiased analysis of the market every single day, just with a practical focus on designing intelligent strategies. A channel by a trader for traders. Welcome to another daily study. And yes, we see the SPY ETF making another bullish confirmation signal. I know, today we are going down and we see a bearish candle, I know. But for now, let's pay attention to this, okay? We see a sequence of higher highs, higher lows, a pattern of higher highs, higher lows. We are maintaining the price above the 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart. So yes, we are maintaining the uptrend. Now, what's the catch? I do understand that today we see a bearish candle, a very weak candle, by the way, okay, which shows some weakness, all right? However, today we did close above this support level, above the previous top level over here, which is right now acting as a support level today. So this is the principle of polarity in technical analysis in play right here, right now. A previous top level acting as a current, our previous top level is right now acting as a support level over here. So yes, we are still maintaining the uptrend, okay? But I know we see a bearish candle, so what to expect next? What if we see the SPY dropping again? Guys, if we see the SPY dropping tomorrow, closing below 595.54, if we close below this key point, losing today's low, all right, then we may see a top signal suggesting a pullback to the next support area, which is the 21-day EMA near the 576, the previous multiple resistance level in the past, okay? So this key point is critical for the SPY, and we do see a very strong support area between this moving average and the 576. So any pullback to this support level is totally normal, okay, expected. Not a reason to panic. We'll see many people saying, oh, now it's over, now the market will turn extremely bearish, we are going to collapse again more 50%, right? No, a pullback to this area is totally normal, all right? Totally normal. Now, but Nathan, what if we lose this double support level? Then okay, then we'll see a double top chart pattern, and then and only then I will be personally convinced that we are going to reverse the bullish momentum. Okay, for now, in the absence of a clear bearish reversal chart pattern over here, well, there is no reversal, okay? I do not see any meaningful reversal going on, but I do see the possibility of a pullback if we close below 595.54, okay? For now, guys, let's not try to predict the future, okay? Real trading is reactive, not predictive. All that we know is that we are breaking our previous resistance level, triggering another higher high, higher low, another pivot point, suggesting more bullish continuation to the all-time high area above the 600s, okay? That's all we know so far. If we see pullback, okay, we'll see if this pullback will bring another buying opportunity or not near the support level. If it doesn't, okay, it is going to reverse. We may work with possible shorting opportunities, but for now, let's work with the information we have right here today, okay? And although we see a possible top signal on the SPY ETF, the QQQ is still very resilient, okay? We just broke our previous resistance level over here, making another bullish pivot point, okay? And we are approaching the all-time high area. All right, very simple situation. The QQQ is still insanely bullish, all right? On the 1 hour chart, for instance, we still see a sequence of higher highs, higher lows. Any pullback to this 21-hour EMA could be just a short-term pullback while maintaining the uptrend. Even if we see the QQQ reversing the bull trend on the 1 hour chart, we could see another pullback to the 21-day EMA, and this is it, okay? The bullish bias would still persist on the daily chart, even if we see a sharper correction back to our moving average over here. Only if we see the SPY, the QQQ losing the 21-day EMA again, only then we may see the QQQ reversing the medium-term uptrend. All right, because guys, when I say that we are bullish, that we are in a clear uptrend, it is not my opinion, okay? It is not my opinion. It is not that I am bullish, okay? The market is bullish, okay? It is a fact. We are making higher highs, higher lows. When will the QQQ convince me that we are going to reverse this uptrend? Again, by losing this 21-day EMA, all right? That's going to be that would be the first signal that yes, we are reversing. All right, for now, all that I know is that any pullback could be just another buying opportunity, because we are going to buy near a support level with a good risk-reward relationship, okay? In the end, it all comes down to risk-reward relationship, okay? If the risk-reward ratio is good, okay, we trade. If it doesn't, we do not trade. All right, for now, is SPY a good buy right now, a good buying opportunity? Well, we are far away from our support levels, so it is just not my style, okay? I do not like buying far away from support levels because, again, the risk-reward ratio is not good. Oh, so it is a sell. No, it is not a sell. There is no clear, meaningful reversal on the QQQ right now, so there is no clear shorting opportunity, at least according to my style. We don't know the future, we can't predict the future, but all that I know is that if we see pullback, we may see another buying opportunity, because I do like to follow the trend, okay? I like to follow the money, and right now we are bullish. People are buying. The smart money is clearly buying right here, right now. We see higher highs, higher lows, so all right, we'll see. Any pullback could be another good reason to buy. Now, Nvidia, how these insights affect our stocks? Because Nvidia, for instance, Nvidia is insanely bullish, okay? It is going up nicely, making higher highs, higher lows. There is not a single selling opportunity over here, but we are near a resistance level. So again, if you want to buy, go for it. But honestly, it is not my style. Again, I always like to buy near support levels with good risk-reward relationship, okay? But NVIDIA is going up, it is not going down. You don't know. We can't possibly tell that. Even if we don't see a buying opportunity over here, well, there are many other stocks looking way better than NVIDIA right now, which we can buy, okay? Which we can trade. So unless if you are focusing on the long term, well, Nvidia is not a good buying opportunity for swing trading purposes right here, right now. Okay, again, this is just my style, all right? It is just my method. According to my method, we like to buy near support levels. So since Nvidia is far away from our support levels, okay, patience. All right? Patience is the most valuable thing over here. Okay, I told you guys yesterday, money is a consequence of a good trading methodology, of a good strategy, and these things they only develop with patience. All right, so right now we are near a resistance level. What if Nvidia breaks the 142 area? Fantastic. The all-time high is going to be our next technical resistance level near the 152. Okay, this is it. There is, and guys, for now, I'm not saying that Nvidia is supposed to go down. It is supposed to make a pullback. No, it is not supposed to do anything. Okay, all that we know is that we are going up. We are going up very nicely. The trend is supposed to persist in this scenario, but if you ask me, what I really wanted to see, and of course, this means absolutely nothing, okay? What I want, what you believe will happen, it doesn't matter, okay? No one cares, and simply no one cares, but according to my style, and I will explain why this is so important. According to my style, I would love to see a pullback, okay? To buy near a support level. Like Tesla is doing right now, okay? And this brings us back to Tesla stock. And here, the situation gets very interesting, all right? Because we do see Tesla approaching our support level. Is Tesla a good buying opportunity or not? Well, guys, according to my style, you know, when we approach a clear support level, we may see a clear buying opportunity. All right, if we see a clear bottom signal. Okay, if we see clear bottom signal in this area, it is going to be fantastic, or simply fantastic. And guys, I'm always honest and transparent with you. So here, before I forget, right, here is an invitation. You can trade with me and have access to the trades we make together in our community of traders just by joining the 5% project. There, you will receive our signals and exclusive trading strategies every single day, which have already guaranteed excellent results for our members so far. You can test our service for free. It is absolutely free to test. If you have any doubts about what we have to offer, okay? So here we are transparent and do our job with integrity. You only pay if we can deliver something very valuable to you. Hundreds, guys, literally hundreds of traders benefit from our signals and strategies every single day. So I'm sure you can benefit too. Check out our website for more information. The link is in this video's description, okay? Right here below in the video's description, all right? Just take a look over there. Now, Tesla is finally near our support level. We nailed this resistance level around 367, okay? We just nailed this key point as our major inflection point, and we did a pullback after reaching this key resistance level. Okay, that's absolutely not surprising at all. That's not surprising. This is totally normal. This happens more often than not. So, okay, we saw a pullback after reaching our target. Phenomenal. Now, we see Tesla back to our support area, near the support level, near the 21-day EMA. Do we see any bottom signal? Not yet, okay? Not yet. If we see a clear buying opportunity, I'm gonna promptly warn you guys on our Telegram channel. I'm gonna share the signal. I'm gonna tell you guys where to buy, what price to pay, where to place the stop loss to mitigate our losses if this goes wrong, where to place our target in order to maximize our profits if this trade goes right. So this is it. Every single aspect of our strategy I will share on our Telegram channel. But so far, honestly, there is no clear bottom signal. Okay, there is no clear buying opportunity yet, but the risk-reward relationship is very, very good right now. So yes, I'm gonna tell you guys, Tesla is right now on my radar right here, right now. I'm just waiting for any excuse to buy. Because again, guys, we are near support level, okay? But Nathan, what if we see a bottom signal and then Tesla drops again? Well, guys, this happens, okay? Either way, since the risk reward ratio is very good, we are going to mitigate any possible loss in this scenario, while if this trade goes right, if this trade works very well, in this case, we are going to enhance, to maximize our profits the best way we can, okay? So this is how we survive in the long term. If we were to lose, we lose little money. If we were to make money, we make a lot of money, way more than we lose, okay? Guys, this is how professional traders work, okay? We always mitigate our losses while maximize our profits, working with strategies, using statistics to our advantage, okay? So this is what we do every single day together in our Telegram channel and here on this channel as well. So guys, if you are still not a subscriber, seriously consider subscribing, because we are here every single day sharing many good ideas, many good insights to you every single day. We analyze the market in an unbiased way, absolutely no bias, or it is not my opinions, it is not what I think will happen. We only work with technique, strategy, statistics, and charts, okay? So charts can't lie to us, all right? So subscribe, follow this channel. We are here every single day. I'm sure you will find something valuable to you in this channel as well. So subscribe and click the like button to support this community, okay? And yes, we see Tesla approaching our support level. So now is the time for us to pay attention, because any bullish reaction could be another buying opportunity, could be an excuse for us to buy. So this is how I see the situation. And we see AMD going up more than 1% today, performing very well, right? And it is no secret that we bought AMD. I gave you guys the signal to buy AMD during our live on our Telegram channel, okay, which is only available on our Telegram channel. Buy here near support levels. Right now we are performing very well. It is going up. It is very close to our target right now. So AMD is just bullish, okay? It is performing very well. It is maintaining the uptrend. It is trying to make higher highs, higher lows over here. And as far as I know, if we see AMD closing above the 115 this Friday, this week, we may see a technical inverted head and shoulders chart pattern on the weekly chart. Okay, on the weekly chart, all right? So we're gonna trigger one of the most powerful bullish reversal chart patterns on the weekly chart, suggesting that the uptrend, that we are going to officially reverse this downtrend. Okay, finally, right? We are finally above the 21-day EMA. 21-day EMA, 21 weekly moving average over here for the first time since October last year. Okay, so this is a very meaningful, very powerful signal. AMD is performing very well. I do like AMD. This is why we bought it. Okay, so it is performing very, very well. Nathan, what AMD needs to do to reject your bullish case over here? We gotta lose the 107. Okay, by losing the 107, by losing this 21-day EMA, in this scenario, AMD will possibly reject our bullish case over here. Okay, either way, we are performing very well so far, so the situation is under control. AMD is insanely bullish. Now, Palantir. This one is a little bit more delicate because we did fail in breaking the all-time high, okay? We did fail in breaking the 133, okay? We failed in breaking a very important resistance level. Nathan, should we panic right now? Should we sell Palantir? No, not yet. Guys, As long as we stay above this key point over here, 119, $100, $119.41. This key point over here. As long as we stay above this key point, the bull trend is supposed to persist. Okay? But Nathan, what if in the future we lose this support level? The future does not exist, all right? But if we lose this support level, okay, then Palantir will be possibly a sell, okay? Because we are going to trigger a double top chart pattern, all right? Suggesting a pullback to the 105 again, okay? And in this scenario, we may expect more correction. But so far, for now, we are still above this support level. We are still above the 21-day EMA. Today's candle is quite intriguing because although we are closing below yesterday's low, we see a long shadow below the candle's body, suggesting some intraday momentum. Of course, this could be just another dead cat bounce to the 21-hour EMA before another collapse. Either way, we are still above our major support level on the daily chart. All right, so in this scenario, we are still maintaining the uptrend. Only if we lose the 119, I see a reason to sell. As long as I'm so sorry. As long as we stay above this key point, okay, we are still maintaining the uptrend. What if we break the 133? Fantastic. We're gonna make another bullish pivot point, suggesting more bullish continuation. We're gonna see new record highs. Palantir will fly to way higher levels. All right. So apparently, we are inside this congestion. Okay. So as long as we don't see a clear breakout, Palantir will just stay over there. Again, patience. Patience is the key. And please, do not panic over a harmless pullback, all right? And now, Apple. I see many people are asking, Nathan, please analyze Apple. Nathan, Apple, please, Apple, Nathan. Guys, Apple is doing absolutely nothing. We are still in this sideways congestion, all right? If we see a breakout of this 21-day EMA, all right, our next technical target will be the 213 resistance level. Not a phenomenal target, okay? There is no much room for an amazing upside potential, but Apple is just lingering, struggling around this 21-day EMA, okay? Which is acting as a resistance level right now over the past few days, okay? We are still in a very delicate position. Today, we see a clear gravestone doji candle pattern, which is from a statistical point of view, it is a quite reliable bearish reversal candle pattern. So, if you ask me, if we close below today's low tomorrow, well, odds are that we are going to seek the $193 area again. This area over here, okay? Now, if we break and close above this 21-day EMA, okay, $213 area is going to be our next technical target. Either way, Apple is still inside a medium-term congestion, so we do not see anything meaningful or incredible yet. I'm still skeptical over here. And Broadcom, this one is insanely bullish. What's the catch over here? This one is going to report earnings tomorrow. Okay, so for swing trading purposes, if you have any Broadcom with you, well, it is always advisable to sell, to book your profits, okay? Because never hold a stock during earnings report. That's one of our main rules over here. Always sell on the day or on the day before reporting earnings. Because the volatility is too insane, all right? It is too unpredictable, okay? So it is always advisable to sell, book your profits before earnings. And right here, right now, since we are in an insane uptrend, and we are near, I'm so sorry, not near, but we are slightly above the previous all-time high resistance level. As far as I know, if we see Broadcom collapsing after earnings back to the 21-day EMA, representing a drop of more than 10%. If this happens, it is going to be possibly another buying opportunity. Buy near support levels while we see a bull trend. Since this trend is clearly bullish, all right, fantastic. If earnings are bad, if Broadcom misses earnings, even if earnings are good, right? Earnings are good, but Broadcom missed earnings. Okay, we may see another collapse back to our support level, and then we'll see if Broadcom will be a buying opportunity or not. Either way, I'll be here every single day, keeping you guys updated on this channel. So again, subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Click on the like button to support me, because here we share valuable insights every single day. And if you want to actually trade with me, join our Telegram channel. There are hundreds of traders over there, which, well, and together we make a very nice and solid community, okay? I always appreciate your support, your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.